Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to create a geometry in the viewport and then navigate it. So to create a geometry we can just press tab in the network editor or a node graph and then type box. Just clicking on the box will appear in the viewport and the same particular node will appear in the node graph. So we can double click on the geometry node to dive inside, but for now we will keep on the geometry. To navigate the object, we can just use left mouse button to rotate the viewport. Using left mouse button we can rotate it and see in any direction. To pan the viewport, we can use middle mouse button, and to zoom in and out the viewport, we can just hold right click and then zoom in and out the viewport. If we want to go in any of the particular viewport, we can click B to see all the viewports in the screen, and after that we can switch to any of the viewport we want to work, like right, front, top or perspective. Just by clicking or keeping the cursor on the particular viewport, we will switch to that particular viewport. There are shortcut key to switch the viewport. We can press 1 on the keyboard to go to the perspective view, press 2 for top view, 3 for front view, press 4 for right view and 5 for UV view.